I'm going to see if I can turn my living room into a cinema by testing this 40-inch VIZIO Smart TV with my favorite movies. Today I'm excited to introduce you to the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV, which promises to deliver a cinema-like experience in the comfort of your own home. With its sleek design and impressive feature set, I'm eager to see if it can live up to its claim. We've all been there, stuck with a TV that just can't keep up with our viewing habits. Poor picture quality, lack of smart features, and a clunky interface can really take away from our enjoyment of our favorite shows and movies. I mean, who hasn't struggled with a TV that can't stream their favorite services or connect to their devices seamlessly? And don't even get me started on the picture quality. Washed-out colors, low contrast, and a lack of detail can make even the most epic blockbuster feel dull and lifeless. But what if I told you there was a way to upgrade your viewing experience without breaking the bank? A TV that combines stunning picture quality with sleek smart features and intuitive design. That's exactly what the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV promises to deliver. But can it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. We've all experienced the frustration of dealing with a TV that just can't keep up with our fast-paced, tech-savvy lives. From buffering wheels of death to clunky remotes and outdated software, it's no wonder we often find ourselves feeling stuck with a TV that just doesn't cut it. But what if I told you there was a way to revolutionize your viewing experience and bring your TV into the 21st century? For me, the key to a great viewing experience is all about immersion. I want to feel like I'm right there in the action, surrounded by stunning visuals and immersive sound. And that's exactly what the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV delivers. With its stunning 4K resolution, I'm blown away by the level of detail and clarity on display. Every scene looks and feels incredibly lifelike, drawing me in and refusing to let go. Plus, with its smart capabilities, I can seamlessly stream my favorite services and connect to my devices in an instant. But what really sets the VIZIO apart is its incredible sound quality. I mean, we've all been there, stuck with a TV that has lackluster speakers that can't do justice to the on-screen action. But the VIZIO is a different beast altogether. With its powerful built-in speakers, I'm treated to a sonic experience that's nothing short of breathtaking. From the rumble of thunder to the crackle of gunfire, every sound is expertly reproduced, drawing me deeper into the action. I wanted to put the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV to the test, so I set up a little experiment. I hooked it up to my favorite soundbar, fired up my favorite movie, and settled in for a marathon viewing session. And let me tell you, the results were nothing short of stunning. The picture quality was sublime, with every detail perfectly rendered and every color perfectly balanced. And the sound? Absolutely incredible. I felt like I was right there in the action, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the movie. In fact, I was so impressed with the VIZIO's performance that I decided to take it to the next level. I set up a little comparison test, pitting the VIZIO against my old TV in a head-to-head battle. And let me tell you, the results were nothing short of eye-opening. The VIZIO absolutely destroyed my old TV, delivering a level of picture quality and immersion that was simply unmatched. So what's the verdict? Can the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV really deliver a cinema-like experience in the comfort of your own home? In my opinion, the answer is a resounding yes. From its stunning picture quality to its smart features and incredible sound, this TV is a game-changer. And at its price point, it's an absolute steal. So if you're looking to upgrade your viewing experience and bring your TV into the 21st century, I highly recommend checking out the VIZIO 40-inch Smart TV. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. So what do you guys think? What are your must-have features when it comes to a TV? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tech reviews and showdowns, be sure to check out my next video for more awesome content.